guys, same chart, same chart, everything. You see what happened, like I said, everything that I said, everything that I drew. See, it went up to this mid-level area every time. Y'all don't get it. Mid-level, look, mid-level, wick. Wick on this side meets the other wick every time. That's all it is, bro. And waiting for a reaction. And look, bro. Look at this shit. You see how I respected this shit, bro? Look at the green body of the candle. The shit is marked out so fucking perfect, bro. You see it in real time how I marked this shit up, bro. And this is a 1 minute chart, bro. I could do it on a bigger time frame chart. I could do it on any time frame chart, bro. But I'm telling you, like, this is an execution, a perfect execution on how to really take a position, a scalp. Not really a scalp. It's like an intraday. Like, you still in trade some minutes. I would have still been in this trade, bro. Till take profit hit, bro. I just know it has to feel, so. And it's the 10:30 reversal candle every time. I told you it always reverses around 10:30, 11:30, or 12:30, or either 2:30. You know what I'm saying? Every time, or 3:30. It switch back to the main move. And you have a full main move around like 4:30 every time, bro. Every time. Look how it's respecting. You see the body. Look at the body of this last candle, this small candle right here. The last candle on your right side. After this green candle, you see the body. It's respecting. No matter what's going on right here, the wick. The body closed above the green wick, body closed above the red wick. It's finna form another W. And then we're going up to take this shit over. Real time, bro. No editing charts, no gimmicks, no none of that bullshit, bro. Real charts, bro. Real execution, real time. I'm not selling no fucking course. I'm not doing none of that shit, bro. This shit free, bro. Free game, bro. I might as well get paid off of it, though. While I'm in the process. And it costs you nothing but a like or a view or a subscribe. I don't do no funded account. I do live accounts only, bro. I got funded accounts, but I don't use them, bro. On live, bro. Too many rules. I'm not against funded accounts, so I'm not. Do what you gotta do to get where you gotta get. But me, I prefer the live, bro. I need that real capital, real drawdown, breathing room, you know what I'm saying? Even though it's minimal every time, it's gonna be minimal drawdown for me every time. I would have barely faced any drawdown right here. But a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I'm cool with it. That's why you wait, hold, don't fold, bro. See how it closed? It closed above, so we finna sprout up. It made another W. Leg, pull back, leg, pull back. The big green candle in the middle, that's the W. Now draw down on that liquidity a little bit. Now we're going to go up now. You feel all of this. And hopefully have being buys for the rest of the day possibly. Real time, bro. 1 minute is to 5 minute, you know what I'm saying? 5 minute chart is respecting, you see it? 5 minute. So I would have caught sales on the manipulation and I would have caught buys on the distribution. This is the distribution candles right here. This is the real move you would usually catch. You see, 5 minute, 15 minute. 15 minute is really your friend. If it goes above on 15 minutes, you green. Literally green. Look, green. Close above. It closed above all of this. Really, it would have been right here. You could have caught your entry right here. But I got in around, like, down here. You know what I'm saying? I'm getting in early, baby. I'm catching the early move and riding the wave. You know what I'm saying? Close above here. On this candle right here, I mean, it closed above. Wick, body above, all of this right here, all this red candle, bodies is closing above from that point on. Especially green when it closes above this area. We have a fair value gap too as well to fill. Another one up there. You see what I'm saying? Like, bro, 1 hour. I don't care about the money. I'd rather teach this shit to y'all, bro. This shit off the glove, bro. I'm studying, bro. This knowledge could take somebody somewhere, bro. See what's going on. Now let's go back. Okay, got market over right here. Accumulation. You got a manipulation. You usually don't trade, but you could look at it like that. Or on the 1 minute, you could look at it as manipulation being this big bull candle that it was right here, right at 9:30, pulling back up. Right at 9:30, pulling back up, manipulating people, thinking it's buys, and then we got a distribution on sales. You can look at it like that, or you can just look at it like this on a bigger time frame scale, which is we can do 5 minutes or something like that. Okay, you got accumulation, 9:30 candle. That's 9:15. 9:30 around this area when it pulled it. Right at that break, right at the break of all of this right here. You got that. So you got that manipulation little phase right here after this accumulation, manipulation, the little pullback, the little green wick that it was on a 1 minute chart. That's when you scale down. You scale down it, you know what I'm saying, get your entry in. When you see it, it wasn't even green. It was a green candle, but it's really a red. It's a red long wick. It turned to a red long wick because the buyers went down in pressure. It just manipulated everybody, took out everybody, went the manipulation direction. Then we got accumulation. You know what I'm saying? Another accumulation. Price gonna always accumulate, or you call it consolidation. We got consolidating. Then we got that 1030 bull. Around 1030, you know what I'm saying? Right at 1030, you know what I'm saying? It's respecting that structure, that line that I put there earlier. You know what I'm saying? But then you got buys. We in buys. Nothing but buys, baby. It respected. It broke through a little bit just to get that close. All of that. It's always gonna meet them wicks. That's what I tell you. It's always gonna meet the wicks. It's always gonna meet them wicks some way, somehow. It met the wick. It met the body in the wick. It's always gonna meet the body in the wick, bro. What happens on the left, opposite gonna happen on the right. What happens on the left, opposite gonna happen on the right. So it went down. It's gonna go up. The market is a mirror, bro. Go all the way up. And look, this is our take profit. We down there already. Without even fixing nothing, it's the same take profit. I just dragged it over. All I did was literally drag it over. That's all I did was drag it over. Stop loss still the same, all I did. This is the distribution phase. This is the distribution phase. So you could be 2 and done today. 2 and fucking done. Just keep practicing, keep practicing. Just keep running my videos back to the beginning of your head, you know what I'm saying? I learn from the best of the best as well, but I put it in my own simple form, you know what I'm saying? Just like they did from someone else, you know what I'm saying? Everybody has a teacher. Then they become one, you know? It took me years of studying the market, just soaking up the game. In and out, you know what I'm saying? It took me years of losing. I still lose to this day. I'm not perfect, you know what I'm saying? I haven't took a loss in a minute though. don't care to flex my P&L or anything for nobody, bro. That shit doesn't matter, bro. The skill matters. This is worth a billion, bro. This could feed you and your family for a lifetime. Just showing y'all what I see, how I see it, when I see it. And it's still respecting structure. See what happened now, W formed. So, after that leg inducement, that's the W start. Boom. Beginning of the W, like I've been pointing out. That's the pullback in the middle of the W. It made the other leg, the right leg of the W. Meaning like, you got that, boom, then you got that. And it's going to those wicks. Once again, it's going to those wicks every time. Every time a wick from an area, that's where it's getting weak at. Boom, it pulls back. That's the full W right there. But you don't get in on the full W. You wait for it to draw back down on liquidity to fill those gaps. Fill up those wicks. I'm sorry. Fill those